welcome back to Arvada and Broomfield Vacuum. So something that a lot of people aren't aware of is actually how to clean carpets. And most people are used to wet machines like this, but did you know you actually don't have to wet clean your carpet in order to clean it? Today I'm actually going to show you a dry carpet cleaning system. We've actually dealt with this machine for decades. It does a beautiful job. It's typically dry in under an hour, and it does a great job cleaning, really reviving the carpet. So we use two different products. We have a pre-treat that you're going to use to actually help break oil and soil away from the carpet fiber. And then this Duo pea powder from this company Sebo is literally millions of micro sponges, and it absorbs and draws in material so that it cannot redeposit back onto the carpet fiber, not leaving the black water that's left behind in your carpets when you use a wet system for hours and hours waiting for it to dry. So it does a great job. It's easy to use. So when I'm using it, you're just going to take and pre-treat the area. And so I'm just going to lightly mist. I do not need to saturate the carpet. That's about all the wetter I get it. And then you have this powder that you sprinkle down, which again is, like I said, are millions of micro sponges. And I'm just going to take and sprinkle it down, kind of like powdered sugar on French toast is the best way I found to describe it. It's a nice light dusting. I can still see the carpet through it. I don't need to saturate it. Just going to cover my powder back up here. And then I'm going to take a moment and work it in with this machine. Now this machine is not picking anything up. It is allowing it to get the product down into the carpet to let it go to work and really lift that carpet fiber back up. So we're just going to take and work it in. You're always going to see a little bit of the powder on the top. Not a big deal. If you've got the space, go ahead and turn the opposite direction just to kind of hit all the sides of your fiber. And then you're going to let it stay there until it's completely dry. And then you're going to vacuum it up with your vacuum cleaner. Don't ever vacuum it while it's wet, because A, vacuums don't like wet things, and B, it means it's also not done working until it's dry. And then once it's dry, your vacuum pulls all that soil and debris that it has absorbed and pulls it right out of your carpet machine, or right out of your carpeting. So makes it very easy. It's great for not only wall-to-wall carpet, but it's fantastic for area rugs because I don't have to haul them outside to clean it. It doesn't soak through. It is also a wool-safe product, so you can use it on even more delicate style rugs. It's great for spot cleaning. You can use it for doing stuff on your furniture. It's just a very versatile cleaner, and it does a beautiful job. It also has an alcohol base, so it also cleans and sanitizes and disinfects as it's doing its work. So stop on in. We're happy to show you how it works. We do rent them and sell them, so you can use it in multiple ways. We'll see you soon. Bye.